anticipating that it was going to be an average year. We were quite surprised when we were getting into September at how much little rain we had late in summer and into when fall started. So that definitely helped the grapes ripen much nicer and much better. And we ended up with better than average year, which we're really excited about.
This year was kind of special in the fact that it was wet early, and we were very worried that it was going to be a wet, cool year. It's very rare that Finger Lakes has 2 years consecutive that it's nice. So in June we were thinking this would be pretty bad, and then as summer shaped up it dried out and it got pretty nice. So overall the season's been quite kind to us as winemakers.
We were quite surprised, pleasantly surprised at how much flavour and how good the fruit really did look. Even the disease pressure wasn't that high. So just because it was dry again towards the end of summer, so we had some nice clean fruit coming, and so everything looked really good.
Nice, complex fruit flavors, and I think it's going to be a good year for the 2013 season.
Today we're picking Cab Franc, and we're hoping tonight won't get too cold because we still have Cab Sauv to make it. We're plagued by a little bit of rain the last couple days, but now we're tidying up things and everything's looking very good. We think it's going to be a pretty good red here, definitely a good white wine here, and we're getting sort of towards the end of harvest. Just having a good old time. Hopefully it's slowly wind down here as it's approaching November. And we would just like to get some sleep for a change.